When I think of rolling out recipes for special ladies, I think of something exotic, something nice, something that, you know, they'll enjoy. And then I think about Vaughnette Bigford. So what will she enjoy? We've had a back and forth for quite a number of years. She's been on the show before, and I can't wait to see her. I haven't seen her in a while. She's very, very busy these days. I think she's just back from Tobago. She just did a wonderful concert, Tobago Jazz and all that stuff. We'll talk about that. But what do I cook for her is always my challenge. So thanks to Regal products, I have an array of peas and beans. And you know I love soups. I love doing soups. I love extracting flavors, different flavors from different ingredients to create soups. Vaughnette Bigford is very bougie. And I'm taking the lovely Channa from Regal. I've boiled it, some garlic, boil it nice, get it nice and soft. And I'm going to be doing a creamy Channa soup with a little bit of pumpkin in it. If she do like that, Lord help me, Father. Let's get cracking. I have some onions going here. And to the onions, really is just really adding some aromatics. So I have some garlic that I'll get right in there. Onions, garlic. When you have onions and garlic in some oil, you know you're in business. Pimento peppers is always a layer of flavor that I like to use. So I'm getting some pimento peppers in there as well. Allow your vegetables to saute up just for about a minute or two, just for it to get nice and soft and render out a bit. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I'm kicking it up a notch. I have some chili powder here that I just want to add. Yeah? Just to give it a little extra This is lovely chopped rosemary. Gives it that nice earthy flavor. So I'm using Channa, and because I'm using Channa or chickpeas, it has a sort of a earthy tang to Channa sometimes. And I think the rosemary will kind of complement it well and also help smoothen out that little tang that you get with Channa sometimes. Red pepper flakes, if you like it hot. It mightn't like it too hot. And you mix all the aromatics there together. You start to smell all that goodness. And I want, just before my Channa, I want to add some pumpkin. Pumpkin will also give it a nice, smooth consistency. My wife does a pumpkin soup to die for. That's really where most of these soups that we do on the show, that's where it came from. I tasted her pumpkin soup once, and we weren't even married as yet. And when I tasted her pumpkin soup, I said, okay, I need to propose. That's real talk, true talk. Ask her. Her pumpkin soup is what sold it for me. Channa goes in now, guys. So, as I told you, the Regal Channa, all you need to do is boil them up. I like to throw a little garlic in there when I'm boiling it. Couple cloves of garlic, just to get it nice and soft. And then you're ready to kind of just throw him in here and allow him to do its thing. A little bit of some of your favorite pepper sauce won't hurt here either. Just to give it a nice little kick. And then chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock. This is your liquid that the soup will kind of come together in. You want about 4 cups of good stock and then 2 cups of water. Cover, bring to a boil, allow to simmer and boil for just about 15 to 20 minutes or so. And when that happens, I'll show you what to do next. Alright guys, so now it's time to take the soup to the back, and I'm just going to blend the soup. We want to puree it to a nice smooth consistency. So all this Channa, all the pumpkin, all the vegetables with one smooth consistency. So time to blend. So I have a finished one that has been keeping nice and warm here for me. Ooh. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the final product. This is your creamy Channa chickpea soup. So you can't only eat Channa with doubles. You could now do a nice creamy soup. Please check CHICKPEA.com for the recipe. It's one of our classics. I love this soup, and I'm going to plate it now for my first mommy. It's so delectable, so creamy. There's a richness to it because of that nice little heavy cream that we added. Yeah. Oh boy. Just have some sides that I want to just top. Plating is everything. You eat with your eyes. And my eyes are very big, so sometimes I overdo it. But I'm plating this up, as I said. She is all the way out of deep, deep south. Labre. Trinidad and Tobago's very own. She is the undefeated Caribbean queen of jazz. I am so happy to have her back on the show. My first mommy is Vaughnette Bigford.
I can hear with you and these titles. Will you just come up with these titles, boy?
No. We'll get another one. No, I ain't seen you so long time.
I did.
A long time. Sit down,
well,
sit down.
Look at you.
Sit down, look. You know, I say, well, I can't do my favorite callaloo for you.
Oh gosh, no.
No, you don't eat callaloo.
No.
I can't do curry.
Well,
you don't like to get your hands dirty with curry?
No.
What else you don't eat for that?
Many things, you know. Yeah. Oh gosh. We ain't going over this. I don't like food.
Because this show is about trying food, and I just had to dig deep, you know. I had to dig deep for you, you know.
I know.
But I don't mind.
I appreciate the effort. I know it's difficult.
Tell me, you do peas and beans?
Well, to be honest, if it's red bean, yes.
You like red beans?
Yeah, I like red beans.
So she like Regal red beans.
Yeah, I like red beans.
So you like
That's
red
about
beans.
like my favorite. I do not like pigeon peas. I detest lentil peas. And I eat the occasional dal. Yeah.
You eat the occasional dal?
Yeah,
so you do a split peas?
Yeah, but red bean is my favorite, to be honest.
I have some, I really want you to try the soup. This is Channa. Do you eat doubles? Oh God.
I eat doubles on maybe twice for the year. With a knife and fork.
Try my soup, please. Lord have mercy.
Right, but it looks good.
So this is Channa. As I said, sometimes, you know, we think one track
right.
with Channa. We do potato and Channa, doubles.
Right.
We love to experiment with soups. And this is really extracting the flavor of Channa and doing it in a nice...
But you know, I'm also not a fan of soup.
I know that.
But in its like how we do soup.
I know when I say that.
Right.
So this soup is all you, all
right.
bougie, all bougie. You don't have your hands dirty.
Well, bougie come in.
You have a fancy spoon.
I never see more.
You have some garlic bread. Please, don't let get cool.
I'm trying to preserve my nails. I don't understand the bougie coming in. All right, let me try, eh? Joel, you have made me try a number of things that I do not eat at all.
I know that. Provisions being one.
Yeah, provisions. But Joel? Boy, it's nice. Just Channa alone?
Channa and a little bit of pumpkin.
Joel, I don't eat pumpkin.
Take another one. Take another spoon. She take 2 spoons. She take.
This is actually quite good.
She take 2 spoons.
Yeah, this is actually quite.
Oh Lord. We coming back. We coming back.
It's not making you play.
My first hurdle has been crossed. When we come back, we celebrate this lady. She's one of my favorite mummies online. I've gotten to know over the years. Her son is the splitting image of her. When we come back, we celebrate our first mummy. Vaughnette Bigford is in the house, ladies and gentlemen.